What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. Welcome back to the channel. We have a lot of stuff going on today at our shop. GR86, M2, and our shop car. And we have a Civic coming in too, 11th gen. So today's a wild day, a lot of installs today. I'm gonna get started on the GR, but before I do that, let's check out this GR here. Customers here for our custom canards, which will be available on the market, and a custom diffuser. By the way, he's running a V2 front splitter and a V2 side skirts. Blur on some Enkeys, super clean, super simple. And then we're working on a new, this is a prototype right now. It's our version 5 rear diffuser. Version 5 stays for aggressive, so you know, definitely an ankle slicer, you know what I mean? But this is just a mock-up right now. We're gonna do something similar to this. And on the M2, we'll be doing a rear diffuser install. And the GR will be doing a front splitter and rear diffuser. So a lot of crazy stuff today, a lot of stuff. I'm gonna get started because my boss will get mad at me. So I'll catch you guys in a bit. Hey guys, we have here F87 M2 in white, purple color wrap by Ely Wraps. Super cool. I'm here to install the rear diffuser, which was originally on the car, but they took it off and don't know how to put it on. So I'm gonna show you guys step-by-step DIY how to put on your F87 M2 rear diffuser. So very simple, you get 4 brackets. I have 2 here. 2 small L brackets and 2 long L brackets, which is already on the car. So cameraman is going to show you. As you can see, it's right behind here. It mounts under the subframe area. So make sure the angle is sitting that way. And once you remove the OEM screw, screw it back on and you're good to go for the rears. And for the middle section, so one part is threaded, one part's not. So the threaded side is where you're going to mount your diffuser, and the unthreaded side is where you mount into the bumper. So let's get started. Okay guys, so under the exhaust, there's 2 OEM clips, which there's 4 total, so we'll be working on the inside inner 2s. So make sure you take those off, get your bolt and brackets, just like this. Go through the top. Tie right here, but I don't have the lift with me right now. So as you can see inside, the bracket sits like this. Okay, once you tighten the nut down, it should look something like this. And very simple, make sure it's straight. I'm gonna do this side and then we're gonna bolt it straight on. Make sure it's straight. That looks straight to me. I wish I had help, guys. This is actually, just kidding. It's pretty easy. I just can't see because my big ass head is in the way. Yep, good to go. Now we insert the diffuser, mount it on, and we should be good to go. Right, let's get started. Got it already. So just put this bolt in, and before you tighten it, make sure you do the OEM side. So I'm gonna do the middle section first. As you can see, look pretty straightforward. I might need some assistance holding this up on the side. Thank you very much, cameraman. I really appreciate you. The F87 M2 rear diffuser. This is a used diffuser, so it looks a little dirty and the car's a little dirty. We do apologize. Customer brought the car in last minute, try to get it installed, but you know, it looks really, really clean. All OEM fitment, no drilling, none of that extra stuff, so direct bolt onto the chassis. So if you're interested, link is in the bio, and also this clears a lot of mufflers, so it won't work on the competition mufflers because the canisters are huge. But other than that, install's ready to go. Enjoy the short clip coming up. Hi guys, we have here an 11th gen Civic SI here to do a full Aero Kit install. I'm gonna go by step-by-step instruction how to install your full Aero Kit on the 11th gen Civic. This is sedan version. Last week we did the hatchback rear diffuser install, but I'm gonna show you guys the front bumper install, which is the same. So if you have a hatch, SI or non-SI or sedan hatch, it can work no problem with our splitters. Our guy already did the side skirt install already. So if we do the side skirt install, you have to trim the liner on the rear end. So once you trim that off, it'll be easier to install, good to go. And I'm gonna start on the front bumper right now. It's gonna be really fun. See you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so I have the 11 Gen Civic splitter here installation. Bumper's already off. The sides, the first two holes are already pre-drilled on your side area, so you just put your 1-inch nut all through. So you're total 11 set of hardware, okay? So the middle, which is right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you have to install it with the spacer, okay? Make sure you put the spacer only in the middle 5, not the outside, okay? The outside we're using 1-inch bolts only, the middle using the 1.5-inch bolts with these washers. So yep, make sure that's a very important part when you install this splitter. So let's continue. Working on the V1 rear diffuser. Very straightforward installation. I'm gonna get straight to it. You pretty much need to remove, there's 2 things to remove on the side for the side spats. One there. Alright guys, so it's very straightforward. Pop it in. Just like that. And the front, same thing. Make sure you line up with the screw. Same thing, very simple. You do need to drill 4 screws into the diffuser on the OEM part. But let me just show you. Make sure you pop off these 2 clips. And then you're gonna get your bolt. Washer on the bottom. Go through this. Sorry, the diffuser's a little dusty. Put it through there. Small washer and then the crush washer